What's up, and welcome back to our Halloween hair series. This is number 2 of our hairstyles, and we will be doing the spider bun. And these are the supplies that you'll need. And if you want to use the little puff balls, you can, but I ended up not using it because I have her bun at the top. Now if you put it in the back, it's cute if you get like a big one, a big puff ball, and stick it in the middle and then put the eyes on that. But yeah, we just did one at the top, so we're gonna use the bun to stick her googly eyes on. And we're doing googly eyes on the front and the back of the bun, so you could tell it's a spider from either direction you're looking in. So right now I'm just putting her hair in a bun and really slicking it down. All right, so now I'm going to put the definition braid on her hair to form the bun. Have it in a nice little top knot at the top. And the reason why I'm doing weave hair, and you see guys, I got the former this time, but the reason why I'm doing weave is because I'm going to hot glue the eyes on there, on the hair. I couldn't figure out anything else to use that'll actually stick. And you know what? If you use hair glue, that will probably work. But I could not find mine. We just moved and I couldn't figure out which box I put it in. So yeah, but we made it happen. So, and again, none of the glue is on her hair. It's on the weave. All right, so we're just forming the bun and we're going to put a scrunchie around it. And then I'm going to wrap some of it around. That's a lot of hair. So some of it I'm going to wrap, and then I'm going to end up cutting the excess hair so that I don't have to, so that the bun doesn't stick up too high because of that thick hair that's left over. All right, so now I got the hot glue gun, and I'm gonna hot glue the googly eyes on the back. I'm also gonna do the front, but you won't see me do that on camera. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it on there and apply some pressure. And you really don't even have to do too much because it's gonna stick. It's hot glue and weave. All right, so we got our 2 googly eyes, and there we go. And just make sure you put them on there straight. All right, so now what we're gonna do is go ahead and stick the legs, the little felt sticks, not felt sticks, fuzzy sticks, what, pipe cleaners, that's what they are, pipe cleaners. So I'm gonna cut them in half because we don't want them to be too long. So you're gonna cut them in half and then stick them inside of the bun former, and that's another good reason to use those. So stick those in, and then you're gonna bend them in the middle and adjust them to make them look like spider legs. And now I'm just gonna layer them and make them really look like a real spider, because you know spiders have weird looking legs. So we're gonna do that and adjust them and make them look just right. And then I put her little headband on afterwards and did her edges, of course. But here is the final project, the final look. All right, I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and stay tuned for our next crazy hair Halloween hair episode. And you have a good one. Peace.